This could be the car for you. The 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this striking Chevrolet Avalanche, the full-size utility vehicle that blends pickup capability with SUV comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, power driver seat, leather steering wheel. Tackle the demands of your busy life with ease in this comfortable Avalanche. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.